Dear Facebook friends, readers and members of the public. Easter Monday is here and there is still work to be done to institutionalize the timeless truth captured by Techno-Science Design and Engineering's solutions and exemplified through her products and services. I am delighted to share some exciting news with you. Techno-Science Design and Engineering has recently been awarded 2 prestigious awards. The first award is the Best Global Leader in Global Health, Emergency Response, Technology, and Sustainability in the USA for 2025 by Evergreen Awards. The second award is the Best in Technology, Global Health, and Sustainability in Singapore of 2025 by Best of Best Review. These awards serve as a testament to the effectiveness of our global solutions and the positive impact we have made. On March 6, 2026, in response to the Secretary-General of the United Nations, Mr. Antonio Guterres' call to invest in the architecture of peace, we actively participated in his global communication on LinkedIn. I shared the Techno-Science Design and Engineering implementation model with him through a comment on his LinkedIn post. This model comprises 7 Techno-Science Design and Engineering meta-modules. Further, Techno-Science Design and Engineering offers both paid and complementary products and services through the Techno-Science Design and Engineering One-Stop Solution module as well as my WhatsApp Business Catalog. While paid services focus on community building and development, complementary products and services prioritize personal protection, even though they could be used for community building. The main difference lies in the demand for these products and services. Rolex watches, diamond rings, Lamborghini, and Ferrari are popular choices because people want them. However, Techno-Science Design and Engineering's products and services appeal to those who want to build their communities. They communicate their preferences, the environment they want to live in, and what they don't want, requiring careful consideration and explanation. Today, I want to help you make a decision to purchase Techno-Science Design and Engineering's products and services. These products and services not only allow you and your community to express love for humanity through resilience, unity, and vigilance but also promise unprecedented speed of execution. They enable progress, job creation, and the saving of lives within the shortest time possible. Please don't hesitate to contact me for further information. Your support for Techno-Science Design and Engineering's products and services would mean the world to me. Wishing you and your loved ones a happy Easter Monday. Thank you.